So my name is Jane and I'm 25 years old. I work for a certain financial institution and I'm glad to be here to speak about financing and money-wise things that your followers are interested in. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Jane. Thank you very much. And I know you work for an international bank here in Kenya.
Yes.
And what we want to discuss today is the financing options that are available for people who want to do taxi business.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether your bank has a solution for people who want to buy these small cars to go and do Uber and Bolt and those kind of stuff.
Yeah, we have options, but not some good news for people who do taxi and Uber business, because we term it as a high-risk business. So what we currently have is secured and unsecured lending. So I'll start with that secured lending. If you are employed and you'd like to venture into the Uber business, you can be able to approach us or to our local bank with your income, let's say your payslip, and we can offer you a loan based on your income. So if let's say you earn something around 200, we can give you 5 million or 5 million to 1 million. You can be able to buy a car within that range. Then you can be able to convert it into a Uber, a business. Then you choose a shorter repayment period that won't make you pay a higher interest, but it will make you pay less interest, then shorter period time, then you'll be comfortable doing your Uber business. The other option is secured lending. We have asset finance, whereby you approach us, you want to buy a car, but the car, we always term it as a private one. So commercializing it to Uber, it will take some time. So unless we finance you for a shorter period, then we have some partnership with different valuers whereby you can be able to choose a car from. We do all the processing for you, the insurance and everything. Then after the short repayment, you can be able now to convert your car to Uber business. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is very, very nice explanation.
Yeah.
But I still don't find it very, very favorable for people who want to get into taxi business. Because as you know, people who want to get into this business is most probably maybe they lost their job, or where they are not making enough money. So looking for a person who has a take home of 200,000, 100K,
Yeah.
I don't think you will find someone who wants to get into Uber business who already has an income of that level. And then your second option of asset finance, you are saying that you cannot finance a car that will go under PSV.
Yes.
So in short, it's like there are no solution for my people.
The solution we can have, let's say you do the Uber part, and maybe you'd like to upgrade your car. So we have an option whereby you can be able to bank with us. Like, I won't mention where I am, but you can be able to take all your money to that bank. So when you register your account as a business account, whereby all your payments from your customers will be going through that account. So when you approach the bank within 1 year, ensure that you have registered, you have the KRA business permits and all that. So we can be able to give you an SME loan based on your returns. So those turnovers within 1 year or 2 years, we can be able to do a calculation on how much you can qualify. Then now you can be able to buy a car. Yes.
Wow. By the way, that finally sounds like a positive news.
Yes.
Because you are saying, let's say I am a driver who is employed by a person who owns a car.
Yes.
So for the time that I have been doing business, the
Yes.
Uber business,
Yes.
I create an account with your bank.
Yes.
And then instead of them paying me through M-Pesa,
yeah.
every single shilling I get, it be channeled through your bank.
Yes.
And then after a particular period of time, I come, we sit down, we do the maths.
Yes.
So that one can maybe start in the place of a payslip.
Yeah, we can look at the turnovers, then we can give you the unsecured lending. You can be able to get a money, then you just go and buy a car of your choice with your terms and conditions. Yes.
I also want us to discuss another topic linked to your second option of asset finance.
Yes.
Because there is a friend of mine who contacted me. He told me that he secured a car, a Suzuki Alto, through, I'll mention that bank. I don't want to mention it, but I think it was Stanbic, or I don't know, I don't remember the bank. So when he went there to get financing, he wanted the car for Uber.
Yeah.
But I think he was told if he mentions that the car will be for Uber, the bank will not agree. So he said it will be for private use. And then the bank took a private insurance for 1 year.
Yeah.
But once he received the car, he wanted to change it to PSV. And then the bank refused because, you know, the car is co-owned by him and the bank.
Yes.
So he cannot change the insurance alone. The bank has to approve. So the guy has the car, but he cannot do business.
Yeah.
What can you comment about the honesty of drivers when it comes to using your second option of asset finance?
So what I can tell customers about that is that when it comes to asset finance and the bank is the one financing you, because remember, they are the ones who have done the full payment of the car. So you are just doing the repayments. So when you want to convert it during repayment period, it will be difficult because of the high risk that is concerned with the Uber fluctuations of a lot of I don't know.
Plus even high rate of accidents.
Yes, high rate of accidents. Plus now you see the repayment and the insurance is also concerned with the institution. So that is also something that the bank cannot look into unless now you repay that car, the loan, you finish it. Now you can be able to transfer the ownership to yourself. I don't know if that's...
No, I get your point.
Yes.
Because the guy told me he is lost because he thought he would repay that car using the money from Uber, but at the same time, he cannot put that car into Uber because the car has private insurance.
Yeah, when you are taking asset finance, kindly talk to your relationship managers based on the rules and terms and conditions for you not to be frustrated, because those are some of the things. I know you are very excited to get the car and be in the business, but just have that candid conversation with the institution that you are taking. What are the terms? What are the conditions? What is the repayment? What is the interest? How can I be able to convert this insurance to this insurance? What happens with this and that? With that, you'll have clarity, and you'll be able now to make sure that you are not disappointed where you took the financing from. Yes.
We conclude. Yes. I think my viewers will learn so many things, but the most exciting thing yenye nimelani na wewe ni kwamba every driver, whether working for themselves or working for someone else, they should have an account with a bank. Any hata trip ya 150 inalipwa na paybill ya bank, unalipa na paybill ya bank, so that ukuwe na a history of transaction, ukuwe na hiyo turnover, mtu akikuja hapo mnafanya hesabu.
Yeah, it will also be easier for you in case you like. Kuna banks have other sources of financing. It doesn't mean you have to be under asset or unsecured. So with those turnovers, you can be able to qualify a loan based on that turnover. So unapata there are so many ways that you can take short-term loans based on what you are bringing to the bank, what value. They can be able to recommend, okay, my turnovers are 1 million. This is what you can get from this, from your account. So that's a good option you can.
Wow. Yeah. Sawa Jane, tumeshukuru sana and we look forward to hosting you again in this channel. You will be a person of very great use to my viewers.
Yes.
And I will be sending so many Uber drivers your way, at least to create accounts. Waanze kuchannel their money through there. After 6 months, you have promised they can come, you sit down, you look at all other products. Apart from the two you have mentioned, what other things can they qualify once they start transacting with you?
Yes.
Sawa sawa.
Yeah,
so naona ni Sunday, nitakuachilia uende kanisa. Tupatane next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh.